Check the electronic control module or hub when an ECM blower shows intermittent operation or no spin at all. Start by confirming the blower motor is getting a stable high voltage supply at the module input, because fluctuating or missing mains will mimic module failure. Next, verify the correct low voltage control signal. For X13 and 2.3 modules, that is 24 volts AC, and for 3.0 modules, that is a direct current millivolt level. Measure at the module terminals, with the system calling for fan operation. Check motor windings for continuity and verify there is no short to ground by measuring resistance from each winding led to chassis. An open winding or any connection to ground indicates a bad motor. Use a Techmate Pro or equivalent to temporarily bypass the control module and drive the motor directly from a known good power source to see if the motor runs smoothly at full and reduced speeds. Inspect the module for burned components, swollen capacitors, or cracked solder joints, and gently wiggle connectors while testing to reproduce intermittent faults. If the motor runs normally when driven directly and wiring and supplies are correct, then replacement of the module or hub is warranted. Common mistakes include assuming the module is bad without confirming voltage supplies and control signals, which leads to unnecessary parts replacement. Always measure both the high voltage feed and the specific low voltage control level before ordering parts. Another frequent issue is misinterpreting winding resistance numbers because test leads are not isolated from the system. Disconnect motor leads from the module before measuring to avoid false readings. People also skip bypass testing and replace the motor when the module is at fault or vice versa. Use a known good bench power source like the Techmate Pro to separate motor and module faults before committing to replacement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical resources tied to diagnosing and repairing HVAC electronic modules. We help contractors find jobs and share knowledge through our on-site discussion community, where professionals and homeowners exchange troubleshooting tips and experiences.